everyone, Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. And today's I'll try to do the touch sampling rate test on the Realme X7 Max after doing the factory reset. Yes friends, just today I did the factory reset of my Realme X7 Max. As you can see, completely everything has been completely wiped out in this Realme X7 Max. The reason why I did the factory reset is because after the recent software update, plenty of users they're experiencing the battery draining issues, temperature issues. That is the reason I did the factory reset of my phone. But let's see after doing factory reset option whether the touch sampling rate is kind of increased or not, because before I used to get only 360 Hz. So I mean 360 Hz means total Hz score, but 360 Hz minus 120 Hz. So 240 Hz I am getting in this Realme X7 Max. So that is the reason I thought of doing factory resetting and checking whether the touch sampling rate it got fixed or not. But right now I'm getting only, as you can see, 360 I'm getting, but this score you need to do the minus with the refresh rate, whatever the refresh rate I'm using. Right now I'm trying to use the refresh rate 120. So 360 minus 120, you'll get 240 Hz touch sampling rate in this phone. This is a 8GB RAM variant. I'm trying to mention 8GB RAM variant. So if you're using the 12GB RAM variant, if the results are different, so make sure to comment below. But 8GB RAM variant, these are the problem. But what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to go to the game space and I'll try to add into the game space. As you can see, so some phones, what they'll try to do is that they'll try to give the high touch sampling rate while gaming. Like the IQ phones, they'll try to give the high touch sampling rate only while gaming. But let's see, right now if you try to use this kind of game space in this touch sampling rate application, whether the score will be increased or not. I cannot see any kind of score increasing. As you can see, it's only 360 at this point. As you can see, 360. So I was supposed to get I think close to 480. I should get 480. Yes friends, the Realme X7 Max has got 360 Hz touch sampling rate. So overall score should come up to 480. For example, if I try to take other phones like the Mi11X device, let me try to take the Mi11X smartphones. Mi11X has got the 360 Hz touch sampling rate, and this phone actually is demonstrating 360 Hz using the same application. Using the same application, as you can see, let me show you. Right now, as you can see, when the scores are increasing, as you can see, friends, 480. 480 I'm getting in the Mi11X device because the Mi11X has got the 360 Hz touch sampling rate. So 480 minus 120, 360 Hz. But in the Realme X7 Max, you can see clearly, it's still showing no sign of improvement even after using any kind of thing. So even after using the smooth scrolling and all those settings, it doesn't work still. As you can see, let me try to show you friends what is happening. I like to enable even the smooth scrolling as well. So some users, they may say that smooth scrolling will give you nothing. It doesn't give anything. So no change at all. So thank you friends for watching this video. I thought of just mentioning this kind of thing. So doing factory resetting option doesn't improve the touch sampling rate. So the next topic which I'm going to discuss is the 120 FPS gaming after the factory reset. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos in case if you are interested. See you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.